What's up, guys? Welcome to a brand new video. Today I'll be going to a new lake. Well, a new lake for you guys, not for me. This is a lake I fished since I was probably 5, honestly. It's a private owned lake, but the lady that lives there, my gram knows, so we're probably going to be taking her John boat out. And I'm going to be bringing Amanda, my fiance, so let's do it.
Lamp City. They tell me to slow down, but homie, I'm just living my life. Ain't gonna do what you think is right, cause that's stressing me out. They telling me they know what's best, but will I care when there's no one left? They tell me to slow down, but homie, I'm just living my life. Ain't gonna do what you think is right, cause that's stressing me out. They telling me they know what's best, but will I care when there's no one left? I think let me start it off. I was just a kid and a mess up. From first grade on, I was fucking all my tests up. When I got to second grade, shit was all messed up. Of course they got divorced, but still God blessed us. And still I managed to take apart the damage and put it all together like some cheese on a sandwich. Middle school was tough, man, I thought it never ran. Now the kids who picked on me, you're like my best friend. So it's weird how your life changed, but it's alright, man. Started smoking weed, so I thought about my life, man. And what it all comes down to in the end is the little things you do and the stupid shit with friends. I'm plotting my revenge at these stupid ass teachers, cause I ball in the game and they sitting on the bleachers. Can you hear me now, hollering my raps to your students?
Made it down to the lake. I'm here with Amanda. We actually have 2 guys fishing right now. I might go on the boat. I don't know. I didn't know she had an actual fishing boat. She has a John boat and a fishing boat. I don't know. Can we take it out? There's no oar, so. Yeah. Okay, I guess we'll just do some bank fishing for now. Alright. There's a lot of minnows. A lot of minnows, which is good, but a lot of grass. So, see if we can catch a fish. One leg up. Alright, we're back on the boat. Oh my god, I'm not used to this. Look at all the minnows. Should have brought my umbrella rig. I do have it though. Oh my god. Pickerel. So slimy. I hate chain pickerel. I jerked my line right. They are the slimiest things ever. Alright, multi-species. Now my rod's all slime, whatever. And I jerked it away from it. You know. Look at my rig up. Chain prickle for you. Multi-species. Even though we're going for bass. I tried yanking it so it wouldn't take it. And yeah, it took it. That's fine. Right? Yeah, we could do that. Because Oh, come on. Is that all this has is chain? I'm flipping it. Should have brought my gloves.
Yeah, your mom got you though.
Alright, dude, you're out of the water. Settle down. You're out of the water.
I don't want to catch one of those. What are you doing?
Trying to get in his gill. Bro.
That's huge.
You're out of the water. Alright, buddy. Alright. We're on a pickerel pattern. That's a big fish. Could you imagine fighting a fish like that? I would love that. Maybe it's a big ass log fish.
Big ass bottom of the lake. Ah, it's a breaker.
Is that you making the bubble?
Probably. I forgot where I'm stepping.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll definitely have to come back here. Maybe I'll just buy a trolling motor for her. Because we'll be using it. Come on, I hooked that bitch too. Huh? What do you mean? Just gave him a good hooking. Alright, so got 2 chain pickerel, both decent size. Just trying to catch bass, but I guess pickerel will do. So we got to get ready for my grandparents' anniversary. So that's it for today. I am pooped from rowing that boat because there's no trolling motor, but there will be soon. Trust me, I will buy one for it. Dog's barking. Seemed to like the worm, seemed to like the A-rig. Nothing on the frog. I saw there's a couple spots with duckweed, but again, I'm not rowing across the friggin' lake without a trolling motor, and I definitely will get a trolling motor for that boat. That's the end of the video. If you guys like what you saw, please subscribe and comment. Thank you. Peace.